Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math by Rakesh sir. We have to solve question number 8, exercise 10.1. Question is given that a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. We use theorem 10.2, that is the length of the tangent drawn from an external point of circle is equal. दैट मीन्स इस क्वेश्चन को प्रूफ करने के पर्पज से हम एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से ड्रा टेंजेंट की लेंथ इक्वल होती इस थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे. क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट गिवन ABCD is a quadrilateral. क्लियर. फाइंड करना है circumscribe to a circle. Find AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Clear? Proof. In figure, AP is equal to the AS. Since from point A, AP and AS tangents are drawn, so AP is equal to AS. Tangents from same point to the circle. Clear? Similarly, at point B, BP is equal to BQ. This is the second equation. Same. Similarly, at point C, CR is equal to CQ. This is third. Reason same. Again, at point D, DR is equal to the DS. This is equation number 4. Tangent from same point. Clear? Now from equation first, second, third and fourth, we get from first plus second plus third plus fourth, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to the AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Clear? Now AP plus BP plus CR plus DR AP plus BP, it is equal to the AB, and CR plus DR is equal to the CD. Again, equal to AS plus SD. So we write this SDRDS plus BQ plus CQ. Clear? Now AP plus BP is equal to the AB. So we write this value AB. Again, CR plus DR is equal to the CD. Again, equal to the AS plus DS is equal to the AD plus BQ plus CQ is equal to the BC. So we have to prove. Clear? So we have to prove this data. Again, we have to solve question number 9. Question number 9 is given that XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting at XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. Prove that. First we draw a diagram from given information. Let me suppose this is the circle. This is a circle with center O and this is a diameter PQ. Clear? XY is a tangent and X dash Y dash is another tangent. Let me suppose this is the point C of the contact. Clear? And this is the A point and this is the B point. We have to this and this. Given X, Y and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents and PQ is the diameter and AB is the another tangent. Clear? Find angle AOB. AOB is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Proof. Construction. B join this point to this point O to point C. Clear? Join point O to point C. Proof. Now, in a triangle Let we suppose this will be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Clear? This is angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Clear? And we have to find angle 2 plus angle 3. Clear? In a triangle, this will be 90 degree because APXY is the tangent and OP is the radius. Angle between tangent and radius will be equal to 90 degree. So in a right angle triangle, APO and triangle ACO. This will be also equal to 90 degree. Angle between tangent and radius. So now in this question, angle APO is equal to angle ACO is equal to 90 degree because angle between radius and tangent, AO equal to AO is equal to AO. It is the common side, and OP is equal to the OC. It is the radius of the same circle. So we have to triangle APO congruent triangle ACO by RHS. So we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CT. Clear? Similarly, in a triangle BQO and triangle BQO, and BCO. This angle will be 90 degree because X dash Y dash is the tangent and OQ is the radius. The angles formed between tangent and radius is equal to the 90 degree. Similarly, angle C is also equal to 90 degree. So triangle BQO similar triangle BCO. Clear? By RHS. So angle 3 is also equal to the angle 4. This is equation number first and this is equation number second by CT. From equation 1 plus equation 2, angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus from angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree because this form straight line angle of straight line angle. Clear? but angle 1 is equal to the angle 2, so we put angle 1 in place of angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is also equal to the angle 3, so we have to angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. 2 times of angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. 2 will be common, so angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This 2 and this 2 will be common. Angle 2 plus angle 3 and this 2 will be transfer and become divides. Angle 2 plus angle 3, that means AOB. This angle 2 plus angle 3, 2 plus angle 3, AOB. So angle AOB is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 90 degree. Hence proved. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.